Hi, my name's Tom. My company's Blue Spruce Joinery. I make custom cabinetry and furniture for a living. And today I'm going to tell you about my Festool Circular rail system, which I like very much. I've had this system for a couple of years now. It's a really great setup. You can pretty much cut anything with it, really. But where it really shines is when you have to cut wide cross cuts on pieces that you just can't cut with your table saw. The other place where it really shines is when you have to go on site and use it. It makes cuts as smooth as any table saw that I've ever used. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up, really easy to carry around. It's light. And when it's attached to this vacuum, it's virtually dust-free, which I'm telling you right now, all your customers are going to love. Using this tool is super easy. Once you have your rail on there and clamped down to your work, that's all there is to it. Just fire it up and push it across. Easy as pie. Start it up, let it speed up, push it down, let it across. As you can see, it's virtually dust free. No dust at all coming from this. All being captured by the vacuum. Now, because I'm taking a video, I didn't go all the way through. I didn't want it to just drop. But as you can see, perfectly smooth cuts, no chips, perfectly smooth. Excellent cut, even on this cherry veneer. I'd recommend this tool to anybody. It's fast, it's easy, and it makes perfectly clean, professional cuts. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks. Have a great day.